What's going on, guys? How's everybody's day going? It is freezing cold here in Jersey. All my New Jersey bros know. Probably all my East Coast bros know. We got the heater running, so if you guys hear something in the background, it's the heater just making this noise. You're gonna have to get up and work on the car. You're not gonna be able to sit at the heater all day. We actually have two heaters, but we don't want to turn both on because that's a kerosene heater and this is a propane heater. This thing actually works really good. Shout out to Jay for letting us borrow this. It kicks, dude. This kicks. Jay, thanks for letting me borrow this. You're the best. I love you. I know in the last video we said that we were not going to be working on the 350Z. In the next video we said we were going to be working on the BRZ, but the homies over at Lit Light hooked us up and they sent us out a little care package and we just had to work on the 350 because I just wanted to put these in. I'm just super excited to do this mod to the 350. Now just by looking at this massive box right here, you guys can probably already tell what we're up to. We are going to be putting new headlights in the 350Z. Well, shout out to Auxbeam for sending us bulbs for the new headlights. Lit Lights also sent us out a little care package. Shout out to the homies at Lit Lights. You guys can probably already guess what it is, but let's open up the headlights, show you guys the headlights, then we'll open up the care package from the homies from Lit Lights. We'll show you guys that, and I'm really excited for today. 350 is really gonna take a turn for the better. These bunk headlights are finally gonna go. These headlights, I'm not a fan of these headlights at all. What about you? Do you like them? I'm not a fan of chrome, and I'm not a fan of that orange strip. That orange strip, right? I told you, the new headlights that we got from Depo Headlights don't have that. Look at how clear this lens is, and then look at that. That's insane, dude. Is it just me, or does that look so much bigger than that?
I don't know, I guess we'll find out.
Wait, put it right next to each other. Damn. Damn, that looks so much better. That's, oh my, such a huge upgrade. So I believe that this is the 2003 to 2005 headlight style, and this goes based off the 2006 to 2000, whatever, 2006 and up headlight style. So these are two different headlight styles, and personally, I think that these look a lot better. These are already blacked out, so if we were to modify this headlight, we were gonna black this out, but this is already blacked out. And this has a bigger projector. Whatever we got from Lit Lights is gonna look so much better in a bigger projector compared to this.
I wonder what it is.
I wonder what it is too.
I think you just gave it away.
I think I think the homies are all wondering what it is. What could it possibly be?
You're ruining the nice tape.
It is actually some really nice tape. I don't know how to cut a box, but this is actually some pretty cool tape. Like the tape says Lit Lights. Like that's awesome. Lit Lights is packaging. Oh, let's not show my address. Damn, all right, so they sent out a keychain, an air freshener. I'm taking this for my car.
Hey.
Okay, I'm taking it for my car. They sent us out a little decal that we can put on the back of the car, 2 stickers. Like I said, shout out to the homies Lit Lights. They sent this kit before for the BRZ that we had on the stock BRZ headlights. Now, unfortunately, I don't have them on the V-Lands, but maybe we'll get around to it. Maybe we'll put them on the V-Lands as well. The homies at Lit Lights sent us out a Demon Eye kit. Now, it's not really much to see in the box because it's pretty much just like all wiring and stuff. So shout out to the homies at Lit Lights for sending us out a Demon Eye kit. They sent this out for the BRZ a little while ago. We had these on the BRZ stock headlights, but we don't have them on the new V-Lands, and maybe one day we'll put them on the new V-Lands. But today we're gonna be putting them on the new 350Z headlights. I think they're gonna look absolutely sick. I'm really excited to do it. Wiring them was pretty easy last time, and it should be pretty easy this time too. I mean, I think it's about the same thing. I had lights on the 350Z and the BRZ shouldn't be too different, so let's get into it. So first things first, we have to open up this headlight. So we're gonna go bake this in the oven at about 200 degrees Fahrenheit for like 10-ish minutes. That should be enough to loosen up the glue. We're gonna have to open these brand new headlights up. Like we just got them, and we're gonna have to open them up. First, we're gonna have to go ahead and unscrew every screw that we see, unclip everything that we can, and then it's time to bake these. Alright, so I removed all the screws that I could see, and I don't think I can remove any of the wires, so I'm just gonna leave everything how it is. I'm gonna put this headlight on top of these wooden blocks so nothing actually like melts. You wanna make sure that no wire or no plastic is touching anything. It should just sit on the wood. It shouldn't touch anything else because it'll actually melt it. So let's go ahead, heat this thing up, and then I'll show you guys when we're gonna start taking this thing apart. So for those of you who don't really know how an RGB works, this is the RGB demon eye. Like, this is what kind of makes this projector shine out light. I'm not really that great at explaining, but this goes behind the projector, and then this shoots out a light that shoots out of here. So say we want red. We'll go in our app, make the color red, and this light will shoot out a red color, and it'll shoot out of this projector. So we have to hide it behind here. Okay, so we spent a little while trying to figure out where we're gonna put the little RGB bulb, and it took a long time, and I figured out one place where we could put it, but I wasn't sure if it was gonna work or not. So we connected everything, we connected it to the battery, we connected all the wires. I wanted to make sure that where we put it works. So I found a little opening right here. So I was thinking that I might be able to put this light right over here like this, and yeah, it still works. So the demon eye does work. That's awesome, dude. I'm so hyped. We can change it to like any color. So like right now it's red. Now it's like green, whatever. Now I'm just gonna have to figure out how we're gonna put this here securely so that we can hit any bumps we want and it's not gonna come off. All right, so I figured out how to secure it, and I know I'm gonna get hosed for this one. So this is gonna work. If it doesn't work, and if it eventually falls off, then you guys have the full right to hose me, and I will let you guys know if it falls off. But if it doesn't fall off and this works, you guys can't roast me for this. Instead of drilling holes in this, because I really don't want to drill holes in this. Like, I don't want to get dust everywhere and leave dust in here permanently. I don't want to deal with all that. We zip tied this RGB light to this, and it's really tight. Like, this zip tie is not going anywhere. I was shaking this around. This is not going anywhere. I don't think this is gonna fall off like ever or anytime soon. The proper way to do this is definitely drill holes, but I don't know where to drill a hole, and I don't want to drill a hole and affect something else and then end up breaking something else, like a brand new headlights. I don't want to mess with all that. So there's our solution right now. This is how it sits. Now I'm gonna put everything back together. I'm gonna screw everything that needs to be screwed back in. So I've already done this like 2 or 3 times. Every single time that I did it, I never put more glue on. I always reused the glue that came with the headlight, and it always seemed to work. I never had problems with condensation. If you guys are scared about condensation, I would get new glue and take this glue off. For me in the past, it's always worked for me. So I'm gonna use this glue. I kind of positioned where this is supposed to go. I'm gonna put this in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes and then come back, squeeze this back together once the glue is a little softened up, and then screw in everything back together. But from the front right here, you can't see any of the wiring or anything that was done inside, so that's pretty sweet. We're gonna put it back and it's gonna look like a normal headlight, and then from our phone, we can just turn on the demon eye and change it to any color, which is sick. God damn, that looks so much better, dude. Okay, so before, after, complete junk, nice new Depo headlights with a Lit Lightz RGB Demon Eye. Dude, that looks so sick. Like I was saying before, I can literally change it to whatever color. So say we don't want red, say we want green. Boom, we can have green. Say we want yellow instead, boom, it's yellow. Like this thing is so sick, dude. Now we're gonna do exactly what we did on this side, on the passenger side. I just wanted to do one and see how it looks. Damn, dude. Damn, do you see that? Dude, that looks so fire. And right now, I know the hood looks a little weird. We got a new hood for the car. The reason why it's not really fitting perfect is because I think this fender is bent. Like, it was really hard to see, but I think there's like a slight little bend there, even though there is like kind of arch on this side. You can see that this side just has a little bit of a bend in it. We actually already picked up a new fender. It's sitting right there. Once we get that fender on here, the fitment of the hood should be a little bit better. Damn, dude. These headlights look so fire. What do you think?
I think it looks mean.
Huh?
I think it looks mean.
Do you like them? The demon eyes?
Yeah.
Dude, I think these look so sick. Like I said, like I used to have these on my BRZ, but like I had them on my old headlights, not my current headlights. And now seeing them, like I kind of want them on my new headlights on the BRZ again because these look so fire. And it's so cool because like I showed you guys, you can just go in the app and change the colors. Like I love red. Red's my absolute favorite. I'm blown away by how good these headlights look. Just look at them. Just look at these things. They look so sick, dude. I don't want to give the color away, but all I'm gonna say is that we're planning to do a very dark color with this car. So I think the demon eyes were a great touch. Once again, huge thank you to Lit Lightz. If you guys want your own demon eye kit, or you guys want some underglow or some interior footwell lighting, definitely go check them out on Instagram. They are awesome. If I seem kind of dead right now, I apologize. I'm super tired right now. It's 3:41. I got back home from work around 6 a.m. and I only got like 3 or 4 hours of sleep. So I'm gonna call it a day right here. I did want to do a few more things with the 350. I ran a check engine light radar and it was saying P0300 for misfire and then P0171, which means it's running too lean. If any of my 350Z bros know what that means or what it could be, definitely let me know down in the comments because I'm trying to chase why this car has a rough idle. It's not dying out, but it does have a rough idle and we don't want to drive it out on the streets like that. So if you guys know what it is, definitely let me know. I was gonna do a few more things with the 350, but I'm way too tired. So I'm gonna go ahead, take a nap and edit this video so it's out for you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys like how the demon eyes look. And once again, if you guys want some demon eyes of your own, definitely go check out Lit Lightz. I'll leave their website down in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Peace out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.